Hello friends, we are looking at Nifty's weekly chart, and as you can see on the chart, Nifty has actually created a small red body, spinning body. You can say that it lost around 50 points, as you can see over here, and it's actually showing signs of downward momentum getting absorbed. Now it is actually, if you look at on the left hand side, there is a bullish engulfing pattern over here, and which means that it is like to provide some support, and as expected it has found some support. Of course, if you look at the current candles low, it is almost like touching the Fibonacci support level, and below that also there is this moving average, weekly moving average of Bollinger Band, that is actually expected to provide some support. So this will get extended for this week, and we can see the current level around say 24,900 to 25,000 maybe holding up during the week. Now that the global news flow on the war front, conflict between say Iran and Israel is actually cooling down, and in that light, I think we may see some consolidation. So on downside, immediately in the near term, uh, there's limited downside expected. The scenario, however, can change if there is some conflict re-emerging between Iran and Israel. So, if you look at consolidation possibility for Nifty and the leading stocks, then the right way of playing it is going to be buying on dips because the trend is up. So, in that light, if you're a long-term investor, then you can think of buying on dips your preferred fundamentally sound stocks whenever Nifty is coming close to this 24,700 as a level, and that is for investors. For even positional traders, for equities, you can choose your stocks whenever to stocks to buy whenever Nifty comes closer to this level. So here now currently 25,000 is expected to be a resistance, some resistance over here, be that being a round figure level. However, I think from there, I think if there is no negative flow, we can see a pullback. So on the upside, 25,500 is a resistance, so to speak, wherein some selling can re-emerge if there is a negative news flow at around that level. So that's a possibility. But for the time being, it looks like the downside for the extreme near term is limited, and we are currently at 20, just below 25,000 level. So if we start staying about 25,000 level, I think that will be taken up as a positive thing for market participants. So if this is the view, then I think what we can do is, what traders can do is, you on future and options front, you can actually buy on dip the futures. Those who are very aggressive traders trade futures. Those who want to play say call option, through call option, they can create uh, bull call spread by buying say 24,800 kind of call for the next week, and then selling 25,200 call. So that can pay well if things move up, if index moves up from this level. On the other side, those who want to use put, they can actually create a put trade spread, and they can sell say 25 700, 25 800 kind of put, and buy actually 24 700, 24 800 kind of put, and buy 24 500 kind of put. So that will give you net credit to the account, and that will be a credit spread. So this is how you can play Nifty with the trend that is in place. Now, one important thing that I would like to point out is next week we have Hyundai IPO also. So that is starting on Tuesday. So in case somebody is interested in investing in that IPO, I think you can consider investing based on your own financial advisor's advice. but it's like to be a big IPO, and so I think you can definitely look at putting in some money since it's a global brand, and Hyundai is not new to India. We have seen so many vehicle variants coming from their side in last 20 to 25 years. So I think you can, those who are interested can look at investing based on their own financial advisors advice. So that's about it. If you like this clear crisp views from my side, then you can consider subscribing to my channel. Hit the notification button, circulate my video to your friends and all the families, and all the WhatsApp groups and other groups, and then I will meet you in the next week's video. So that's about it for the time being.